Welcome back to another episode of our mountain garden. In this episode we're gonna answer your question: should you remove suckers of your tomato plants? Our answer in our case is yes. You should mulch your soil, or should you not mulch your soil? The answer is yes. So I will show you in this video a few things we did today, and I take you along as we progress in the garden and the garden starts to look better and better. The weather is slowly changing and summer is really coming. The heat is coming, the sun is blasting, so it was time to install the dripper system. I had these tubes from last year from my garden, so I installed them in this location. Should be enough to water the plants, and we have two 2000 liter tanks connected and on a timer of 12 hours. So every 12 hours the plants get watered with the dripper system. As well, in this episode we're gonna cover the cloning of the F1 plants, because we wanted to have a bit more of them actually, because we only have 2 right now. I planted 4 seeds, but actually I planted 8 seeds and 4 came out. So we're gonna take some clones and prepare those. My wife is gonna do that. She's gonna take the clones, she's gonna take care of them. We're gonna collect some forest soil and hope that the cloning process works really nice and easy. Then we started to plant some of our new varieties that we didn't try before. These are some tomatillo purple. They look like tomatoes, but they are not really tomatoes, but apparently they taste like tomatoes. So we will find out how they are. I've seen some pictures of them and they look quite interesting. So we wanted to try those, and we're gonna plant a few seedlings of them. And we're also going to use them if we like the results and we like the fruits they make. Then we're just going to take seeds from them and continue with them every year if we like the variety. We are planting them next to the peppers. They are next to the drip line as well. That patch was prepared in the last videos that you have seen. So there's plenty of activator in there. We mulch the whole garden and we plant them next to the dripper line. We try to fit as many plants as we can around the dripper lines to really use the space as much as we can. And later with plant training and topping and bending, we can shape them in a way that they're not in the way of each other and they can grow nicely together. And another new variety that we never tried before is the Galapagos wild tomatoes. They are from the Galapagos Islands. We will try them. If we like them, the way they grow, we have to see how the fruit is. And the same thing happens with those. If we like them, we take seeds and we're going to continue them next year again. And this way we can select the varieties we like. And over the last years, I collected a good amount of varieties that I'm a big fan of and that I grow every year. And this year we're trying a few new ones just to see if we like them and maybe we find some new keepers. In between we water the plants in, always adding water. I know it's a bit late in the day for watering, but as the water system was not connected, we needed to do it. And here we start to clean up the tomatoes. My wife is cleaning the tomatoes because they've grown a lot of suckers since we've been there last time. So we're going to remove the suckers from the plant. We remove some bottom leaves just to clean the plant up. And as you can see in this case, you can see the companion plants that we planted around it, the organic little helpers, they're really growing up. So as soon as they're getting a bit taller, I will cut them down and use them as mulch next to the tomatoes. The tomatoes look super good compared, you've seen in the first video how they looked when they went into the ground. And I think they really improved a lot. They look healthy, they're strong plants. We just need to give them a good cleanup. And when they're cleaned up, they're ready to grow. And then later we will add some stakes to stabilize the plants. Removing suckers or leaving them, the big debate that you see online, many people say remove them, other people say leave them. To be honest, in my opinion, you can choose what you want. In the end, they're just branches. We like to grow these tomatoes a bit more vertically. We don't want them to be too bushy because we have many plants close to each other. So in our case, we remove them. If you don't mind the shape of a bit more bushy tomato plant, you can just leave them. I mean, totally up to you. You can do with your plants what you want. Here you can see a close-up of a sucker. You can see pretty clear where they grow between the main stem and between the leaf. You find the suckers and you just cut them off, and it's focusing the energy of the plant on growing more instead of putting so much energy in the side branches. And then we made our way into the forest to collect some forest soil where we're gonna plant some new seeds for some new varieties of tomatoes. That area has some great soil, so we're gonna collect it and our seeds go straight into the forest soil. I collected soil from this area many times before to start seedlings, and I have to say the germination rate was always great. It's loaded with mycelium, the spot doesn't get any sunlight during the day, it's always in the shade, so perfect condition for the fungal and microbial life to thrive in there.